Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to dive into the newly released Hekla Testnet, which debuted on April 25th, 2024. This update builds on my previous guide where I explored installing a Taiko Katla node. Hekla brings substantial enhancements, including the integration of EIP 4844 blobs that enhance data availability and significantly boost network throughput. Additionally, it increases the L2 block's gas capabilities up to 8 times that of Ethereum, enabling more complex and larger transactions. With the Katla testnet set to be deprecated on May 10th, Hekla is poised to be a crucial step in our transition to the mainnet, featuring the innovative Based Contestable Rollup architecture. Today, I'll guide you on how to install or update your Taiko node on the Hekla testnet. Let's get started. Before starting, a quick reminder about the Taiko project. Taiko is not just another layer 2 solution, it's a cutting-edge Ethereum-compatible ZK EVM that addresses critical challenges such as transaction speed and cost effectiveness. By integrating ZK rollups, Taiko not only boosts throughput, but also ensures that transactions are secure and decentralized. This allows developers and users to experience seamless transitions and encourages broader adoption of Ethereum-based applications. Before we dive into the setup, let's go over what you'll need. A system running Linux Ubuntu 22.04, Docker installed, at least 4 CPU cores, 16 GB of RAM, and a TB of storage. For this setup, I recommend using a Contabo VPS3 server, which offers the reliability and performance needed to run a Taiko node efficiently. You can follow my guide to easily configure your VP server, as well as my referral link to Contabo. To take part in the Taiko consensus, you'll need a MetaMask account with a private key. For optimal security, I recommend setting up a dedicated Taiko account. If you already have a Katla node, feel free to reuse that node's associated wallet to ensure seamless continuity and easier transition. Next, obtain funds for your wallet using the Whole Sky faucet. Simply enter your MetaMask account address and initiate Start Mining. Keep this running throughout the installation of your Taiko node, and we'll come back to this step later in the process. Setting up a Taiko node has been greatly simplified thanks to automation scripts I've developed, which we'll use today. These scripts handle everything from installation to updates, making your journey as smooth as possible. Let's get technical. First, we need to prepare our environment. We'll update our system packages and install Git and Ansible. Make sure you're running at least Ansible version 2.15. If you currently operate a Taiko Katla node and wish to install the new Taiko Hekla node on the same VPS server, execute the following commands to remove the existing Taiko Katla node. Begin by cloning the project repository to obtain the Ansible playbook and all necessary files. Run the following commands. To operate a Taiko node, you must have a Wholesky L1 beacon node. To install it, run the following command. When running the script, you will enter the address of your wallet for fee recipient. Start the Wholesky node by running this command. Check the logs to verify that the node is working correctly. You can also check it's working by connecting with this URL with the IP address of your VP server. Once our Wholesky node is ready, we launch the installation of the Taiko node with our Ansible playbook. During the installation, you'll need to enter the BlockPI HTTP API URL for the Hekla Testnet, your WebSocket API URL, and the private key of your dedicated Taiko MetaMask account. These details are crucial for integrating your node into the Taiko network effectively. After executing the Ansible script, you can start your Taiko node service. Once the node is up and running, it's vital to monitor its activity. We'll check the logs to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Keeping an eye on the Grafana dashboard will let us verify that our node is synchronizing with the main blockchain. The chain head on the dashboard should match the block explorer data. After synchronization, it's time to retrieve the funds you've mined during setup. Head over to the whole-sky faucet, stop mining, and claim your rewards. Congratulations, your Taiko node is operational on the Alpha 7 testnet Hekla. Additionally, if you want to stop the whole sky node and Taiko node, type this command. To start Holsky node and the Taiko node, type this command. Finally, if you want to delete the nodes, type this command. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Taiko node on the Hekla Testnet. You're now ready to contribute to the Taiko consensus and start earning rewards. Join the Taiko community on Discord and Twitter to stay informed and engage with the community. Thank you for watching this guide. If you found it helpful, please support our channel by subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. Stay connected with us on social media for more updates, and I'll see you in the next video.